Okay guys, this is going to be the quickest way for us to get this done, and it's really easy to do this. It's actually easier than using FTP, the FileZilla program that you guys are using. For now, I'm going to give you access to the cPanel so that you can go in and do this and just bypass the FTP program you're having to use. So you have received in this email, the email you just got with this link, this URL, okay, that takes you right to my cPanel, and then the username, and you'll see the password. And this is what you're going to get when you go to this URL. This box is going to pop up. You input the login information, click OK, and now you're in my cPanel. We're going to go to File Manager. Okay, public HTML. You're going to see all the sites that I have on this hosting account. Okay, most of them are the stuff you guys are working on. And the deal is, the problem is we've had, there have been two different people inputting this stuff, and one of us used uppercase and one of us didn't, and I don't even know which. Yogesh and I have been working in here, and so we just need to get in here and get this straightened out. But for now, we're just going to use cPanel, and I'm trusting everybody not to delete my files. Please, God, don't delete the files. Okay. Now, let's go to, we're going to need to go to one that we haven't done yet. PPC keywords. I think we may have done this one, I'm not sure. See, when you click on the URL here, this shows up in the right hand side. It's just like your FTP account, except it's actually a little easier. So, and you would see the same thing in the right hand side of your FTP account when you connect it to a site. This is what you guys have been missing. So you see all the WordPress files. Okay, we do not have WordPress sales page in here, so I'm going to go ahead and move with this one, PPC keywords.info. Alright, we just want to make sure that we keep this highlighted so we'll know exactly where we are. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the image file, and it doesn't look like we have one, so we're going to create one. New folder, image as is the proper, I think is the proper way, images, the plural. So here we go. Now we're going to open that, no records found, and then upload, browse, and we're going to browse to where we have our pictures that came with the WordPress sales page file, and here it is. Unzipped WordPress sales page, open, images, open, over and over. Okay, now so you're going to have to do them one at a time this way. So we'll do header, we'll browse, we'll do footer, browse, we'll do check, we'll add another upload box, browse, and give it the background. We're not even using this these things, but we're going to need them later. That's why we're going to go ahead and put them in. So 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, close, and it still shows no records found. But we know we just FTP'd them. That's what that was. That upload was actually just an FTP. So we're going to reload, and boom, boom, there they are. Okay, now let's go back and click on our URL, make sure it's highlighted, and now we're going to be looking for Word. Let's see here. Yeah, I think it's WordPress content. We're actually looking for the themes folder, so we can upload the style sheet and the sales page. So yeah, there we go. Themes, and these are the themes you have downloaded on to your WordPress. And I don't know which one is on each of your sites, because we were trying different things and putting different ones on, but I'm pretty sure on this one the default is the theme that's being used on this site. And just let me double check that real quick. This is PPC keywords. Just let me double check that real quick so we don't create more work for ourselves by getting it wrong. Okay, yeah, this is the default theme. So we're going to go back to File Manager. We have the themes folder open. So now we're going to upload, browse, and let's go back to desktop. Right there's where we have the files. WordPress sales page, open, and we're going to do the WordPress sales page, and we're going to browse and do the style sheet. Okay, 100%, 100%. Close this out, and let's reload. And I think we're going to see that here. Here's the style sheet, and here's the PHP file. Okay, you're all set. You got everything ready to go, everything you need. So now we need to go to WordPress admin, the dashboard, log in there, and let's go ahead and update this. Right, there's maintenance for these things, all the time. Keep them up to date, and you want to keep them up to date. You really need to keep them up to date. So whenever you're in a dashboard and something needs to be done, go ahead and knock it out. Okay, that's completed. All right, now let's see what's going on here. Okay, we don't need any of that. Now let's look at the post. Okay, keyword partners. Okay, this is the latest post, and this is what's showing now. And all I did was link all these sites together, which we do not want to do. You actually want to get rid of this. So we're going to use